Hi friends! Yo, I'm so excited to finally be doing this. I'm gonna decorate my kitchen today. This should be the last part of the kitchen series, but as we go on, I'm gonna add one or two decorative pieces that I find along the way. But today we are going to first start on this wall. I wanted to have this green tiles on this wall only, so that's what we're gonna do. We are finally done, and I really like the outcome because it just gave the wall a bit of life, and that's what we were looking for. Now I want us to take care of this window ledger. So I got this rack for my spices. It's smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it would be bigger than this, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. I wanted it here. So far, it looks like this, but we're going to figure it out along the way. This is my breakfast basket. I keep all my peanut butter, bread, cocoa butter, not cocoa butter, cocoa powder, and coffee and tea, but it's almost empty, so you guys don't need to see that, but that's where it will stay. And we want to add some greenery over here, so let's do that. Looks like this, but this should be going on that shelf. So yeah, it's kind of pretty. I like it. Hello friends, we are done with the window ledger, and now I want to work on this shelf. I don't have a better idea other than the current arrangement, but let's play around and see. But first, I have this lamp that we have to unbox. It's really cute. It's a mushroom lamp. So let's see how it looks like. I think this glasses would look really cool. So let's see. I actually think this looks great for now, but I don't know. I'm still on the edge about it. But let's see. Hmm. Okay, let's leave it as it is for now and probably finish this tomorrow. We still have a lot to do. We'll figure it out then. Yes. Oh, wait, I have an interesting patches. I almost forgot. I have a kettle, which I am so excited about. Phew, I love tea. So I can't wait to show you guys how I use this, but let's open it. I am obsessed. And it's so light. I didn't expect that. I love the color and the wood. Nice. Hi friends, it's a new day and today's goal, honestly, I felt like the green plants here. Let me just, I feel like this shade of green is a bit too much and it really doesn't fit the space. So instead, I got these ones. Let me show you guys the difference. I think this one is more matte, more muted, and this one is just too green, which clashes with the space. However, I also got this for my table, but I realized it's too high or too tall, so the balance is off. And I'm thinking of putting it over there and one of these to see how they look like. So let's do that. Friends, our final project is actually this wall behind me. I wanted to have two frames, one here, another one below it. So let's see how that works out. I got 3 prints.
I would like you see. Well, okay. Because I know that you are His Majesty's closest friends. Candy. Or you will not, like others, talking behind his back. Careful, Your Highness. Let us care for you instead. You had already left the palace.
So this is what they look like, and I'm gonna try my best to hang them up, but we have to figure out. Yeah, we have to figure it out because I haven't given this a thought. I think they're so pretty, especially this one. I don't know. The thread is too long. I need to make it shorter. So we are done with the kitchen video. I am so excited, and I can finally eat here in peace, enjoy the views and everything. I love the frames. I love how this shelf turned out. Obviously, as time goes by, I'm gonna find 1 or 2 pieces to add to this kitchen, especially the dining table, because I wanted a vase, but the one I bought for it felt a bit off, the one that we put close to the spices. So I'm going to find something suitable for this table. But in the meantime, my fruit tray is going to do the work for us. If you have any suggestion about placement, because I really value a second eye, there's something probably I didn't see that you as the viewer has seen, please leave it in the comment section. And as always, if you have watched up to this minute, please comment a brown heart in the comment section. I'll be very happy to know that you guys are watching till the end, and I can't wait to decorate my living room with you guys, my bedroom, my office, because it's coming probably next week. Please be on the lookout. Anyway, see you again next time, same place. Bye.